Hello and welcome to Raisin Ronies. I have some little magic sticks here that my mom gave me. I have 2 of them, and look how much, I don't know if you can see. They have grown in just a couple of days. And I'm going to put them in some pots, and I'm going to kind of show you how I do it. These come from, and I'm not getting paid or anything like this, it's just, I think it's very amazing what these little sticks can do. Well, the berries that they have. Goji berries are the only fruit that has protein in them. I'm not a meat person, so that's a plus for me because I don't like meat and I don't get enough protein. So I'm thankful to find these and be able to plant some and hopefully get them in my yard as part of my landscaping, because I hope to have edible landscaping. All of it may not be, but as much as I can, and especially something like this that has protein. But I'm just so amazed how much they've grown in just water. But these magic sticks was sent to my mom, Wanda. She has, if you want to know more about them, on Crazy Days, she does a video like step-by-step how to do it. And it talks about Mr. Ron Foster that sent them to her. And he also does a book called the Bug Out Gardening Guide. I think that's what it's called. And I'll try if I can go get the link and put it in my description for y'all to check it out. Mr. Ron writes a lot of books. Check him out. Also, I don't know, Mama might put something on Deep South Homestead. I'm not for sure. But I watch so many videos from them that I don't know what's coming from Deep South and what's coming from Crazy Days, because she's usually on both of them. Definitely check out their channel and learning more about these, because like I say, I'm not good at explaining and teaching, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, here's my magic sticks, goji berries, and here's my pots. Woo, didn't mean to do that, sorry. I've got 2 sticks and I've got 2 pots. They are wrapped up. This is the way my mom gave them, and I just put them in the water, and they have been growing like crazy. I think she said they're cut at an angle on the bottom. See? And you see right there, there's already roots. I don't know. See the roots? And they're just been sitting in the water. I can't tell on the other one. So you're supposed to put them 3/4 down. So here's about half. So I'm going to say about right there, which I hate to cover that up, but I'm sure it'll sprout on out. So we're going to put it about right there. There's one goji berry done. Okay, here's the angle side, and there's already a root. Here's about 3/4, and I'm going to do that. And there we go. There are my goji berries. Very easy to take care of. I mean, I'll water them a little bit here and there, but I don't think you're supposed to overwater them. That one looks a little crooked. Like I say, check out Mom's channel on Crazy Days and see how to take care of these, because that's what I'm going to do. Thank you for watching from Raisin Ronies.